Me say I don't inna your throat, gal. Tapping eyes make me come inna your throat, gal. I the walking gun inna your throat, gal. Anything where you do me, I go vote, gal. I don't inna your neck. You see that tongue lick where you get that? You see the two balls of his sock that. Drop on the knee, don't make a next chat. Me love how the gal dem a free. Jennifer says she no know how to do it. No.
For today's video, we are installing some clip-ins that was sent to me from CURLSQUEEN. I have worked with CURLSQUEEN in the past, about a month ago, you guys. If you guys have not seen that video, I'll leave that link down below. These are all the goodies that came with my clip-ins from CURLSQUEEN. They sent me a 20-inch pack of their light Yaki texture, which honestly, y'all, it resembles like African-American hair that was silk pressed. That's what this hair resembles, okay? As y'all can see, I have short curly hair, so I did struggle a little bit with blending. You guys will see that. I accidentally took out not enough hair, but these are their seamless clip-ins, you guys. These clip-ins do not hurt your head at all, and they also resemble tape-ins, you guys. Don't they look like tape-ins? This is the quality of their hair. They sent me 2 5 clips. They also sent me 2 4 clips, 2 3 clips, and 4 2 clips, you guys. So hopping right into the install, this is how I decided to part my hair. Now, where I messed up was, you guys, I didn't part enough hair. I don't know what I thought I was doing, but I should have parted more hair in the back, but it's whatever. So I'm going in with some Eco Styler. You guys know I don't know how to braid, so this is a braidless clip and install video. So I'm just slapping my hair into a ponytail, and I mean, kudos to me and my unborn son, because y'all remember 5 months ago my hair couldn't even fit in a ponytail. Like literally when I announced that I was pregnant, you guys, if y'all go back and watch that video, like I literally had a small afro. Like my hair could not fit into a ponytail. But now, as you guys are going to see, my hair can fit into a ponytail. So I'm very happy about that. But I'm just going in with some edge control and some Eco Styler just to slick this hair back into a ponytail. And my ponytail actually ended up being too big. So after I filmed the video, like after the video is done and, you know, I'm wearing this to work all next week, I am going to take out the ponytail and I'm probably going to pin it up in the back. Like pin it up because the ponytail was too big and it was sticking out a little bit. Now look, y'all, look. Like, we never thought this day would come. I literally cut my hair off this year and my hair can actually fit into a ponytail. So I'm pretty sure it's because of the pregnancy, but still, I'm very happy with it. And this style really elevated my mood, you guys. If you guys, well, you guys will see this before Vlogmas, but when Vlogmas drops, you guys will see that, like, I get really sad because when my hair's not done, like, it just makes me feel so ugly, and I hate depending on people to do my hair. So these clip-ins were literally perfect, y'all. I did this on a Sunday night by myself, no help, and it really elevated my mood because it came out so pretty. You guys were going so crazy on Instagram about these clip-ins. I'll leave everything linked down below and a code if I have that. Yeah, you guys know that I can't braid, so we're gonna have to make it do what it do. And the more clip-ins I add, the less you'll see the ponytail. So just don't judge it off of this. Just keep on watching and you guys will see. And installing the clip-ins were very easy. As I showed you guys, you just unclip, put it in your head, and then clip. I was actually waiting for it to make like a snap sound so I could know it's clipped in, but it doesn't make a snap sound, and you just gonna have to feel that it's in. So, period. But yeah, so I'm just going to continue throughout the rest of my head, going from the 5 clip to the 4 clip to the 3 clip to the 2 clip to the 1 clip. Y'all, they sent me 10 clips in total, clip-ins in total. I think it came out beautiful. Y'all let me know what y'all think down below. And I was trying my best to space it apart so that all the clip-ins could fit in my head. And I made all 10 fit. So yeah, shout outs to me. Thank you so much to Curls Queen for sending me this hair. And I love you guys. And I will see y'all in my next video.
Body like me, baby. When I pull up with you, only my jeans. Big lollipop, baby, lick like ice cream. Big bad whiz, Mr. Shift your panties. Fuck you to put your banting, or put your benzing. Girl, any record, girl, I go make you sing. Then she the pray for the cocoa, my sing. I got the only water, baby, make you come swing. My pocket full of money, my heart full of loving. Nobody better for the dance, no. Fine lady, she the bounce along. Skin tight for your body, what you do when I want to know. Don't stop, make you drop me, what you do when I want to go. Down by me, don't need you. One that split to your from me. One on me, brag up on me. Catch up like what soon be. Just soon bow, I'm a good bow. Touch me, I touch, I see them. Yeah, so me, so can't live. Back up, match up, and not see. Check it out. Can't live. My pocket full of money, my heart full of loving, bro. What the better for the dance, I know. Fine lady, she the bounce along. Skin tight for your body, what you do when I am I want, I know. Don't stop, make you drop me, what you do when I am I want, take down on me. Don't need you, one that split to your from me. One on me, brag up on me. Catch up like what soon be, just soon bow, I'm a do bow. Touch me, I just see them. There's some me, so can't live. Back up, match up, and not see you. Go, can't live. Can't live. Chop me, I can't live. Can't live. Chop me, I can't live. Can't live. Chop and not see. Chop and see.
Me say I don't inna your throat, gal. Tapping eyes make me come inna your throat, gal. I di walking gun inna your throat, gal. Anything where you do me, I go vote, gal. I don't inna your neck. You see that tongue thing where you get that? You see the two balls of you suck that. Drop on the knee, don't make a next chat. Me love all the gal them a free. Jennifer says she no know how to do it. No, she do it 7 days of the week. She tell me say not even Swiss, not so Swiss, but yeah. Me love how you set inna your clothes. Your breasts them stiff inna your blouse. You know what me love the most. Me love with the big black hood inna your throat. That dung inna your throat, gal. Tapping eyes make me come inna your throat, gal. I be walking gun inna your throat, gal. Anything where you do me, I go vote, gal. Dung inna your neck. You see that tongue there, where you get that? You see the two bars if you suck that. Drop on the knee, don't make a next step. Me wonder if God soon strike me. Me wonder if the brown in the like me. Hi, hello. You woulda suck a hook. She look on me from head to toe and say my it. Wait, no you name Gage Almighty. This song when you do what you write it. Me tell you anything you want know. As long as you suck at me, woulda no bite me. You dung inna your throat, gal. Tapping eyes make me come inna your throat, gal. I di walking gun inna your throat, gal. Anything where you do me, I go vote, gal. Dung inna your neck. You see that tongue there, where you get that? You see the two bars if you suck that. Drop on the knee, don't make a next chat. Me love how the gal them a free. Jennifer says she no know how to do it. No, she do it 7 days of the week. She tell me say not even Swiss, not so sweet, but yeah. in your clothes. Your breasts them stiff in your blouse. You know what me love the most. Me love with the big black hook in your throat. Cause I dung in your throat, gal. That be nice, make me come in your throat, gal. I be walking, gun in your throat, gal. Anything where you do me, I go vote, gal. I dung in your neck. You see that tongue there, where you get that? You see the two bars, if you saw that. Drop on the knee, don't make a next to. You wonder if God soon strike. You wonder if the brown in the light. Hi, hello, you woulda suck a hook. She look on me from head to toe and say, my, wait, no you name be a child mighty. This song when you do what you write. Me tell you anything you want know, as long as you suck off me, who down no bite. Dung in your throat, gal. That be nice, make me come in your throat, gal. I be walking, gun in your throat, gal. Anything where you do me, I go vote, gal. Dung in your neck. You see that tongue there, where you get that? You see the two bars, you feel so that. Drop on the knee, don't make a next chat. Me wonder if God soon strike me. Me wonder if the brown in the light me. Hi, hello, you woulda suck a hook. She look on me from head to toe and say, my, wait, no you name be a child mighty. This song when you do what you write it. Me tell you anything you want know, as long as you suck off me, who down no bite.
Something to feel alright. Remember all the time.
I want time with you, girl. You're moving it slow, you know. You're moving it slow, you know. That's why I just want more. I can never ever lie. Girl, you look like my type of wine. You don't wanna cry. Oh, today you never need to worry. All I need from my baby, you. Something steady. Good shit, 5-star lady, you. Come on. Body physically sexy, you.
I mean, let's get into these clip-ins, y'all. CURLSQUEEN snapped with these clip-ins. And yes, this is only one pack. I was afraid that one pack wouldn't be enough, but this was perfect, you guys. This looks like a sew-in. This looks like my natural hair. This is so, so beautiful. But my favorite thing about these clip-ins is how versatile it is. You guys see I can wear a ponytail for work. If I had a claw clip, I think that's what it's called, claw clip. It's a tongue twister. I could put it up with a claw clip. I can't talk. But this hair is so beautiful, you guys. So, so, so beautiful. And it's just natural, giving very much African-American silk pressed hair. So if you guys are interested in checking out CURLSQUEEN, I will leave them linked down below. Like, this really took not even 30 minutes. Like, it literally took maybe like 15 minutes. So, but I would recommend you guys, if y'all can, get your hair braided or press out your hair just for like a better look. But I think I did a great job. Y'all comment down below, let me know what y'all think. Thank you again to CURLSQUEEN. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all Vlogmas.
Body physically sexy.